Jahn Teller distortion.
Here we shall cover up: what is Jahn Teller distortion? Why it occurs? Distortions in octahedral complexes. What is Jahn Teller theorem? What is Jahn Teller distortion? This effect is named for Hermann Arthur Jahn and Edward Teller. This study was first reported in about 1937. It is the distortion in the geometry of a non-linear molecule. The molecule's energy and symmetry changes. It is typically observed among octahedral complexes. The two axial bonds of the molecule can be shorter or longer than those of the equatorial bonds. This effect led responsible for the phenomena in spectroscopy, stereochemistry, crystal chemistry, molecular and solid-state physics, and material science. Here is a pictorial representation of the axial and equatorial bonds due to distortion. Now let's discuss why it occurs. The Jahn Teller effect occurs because the unequal occupation of orbitals with the identical energies is unfavorable. To avoid these unfavorable electronic configurations, molecules distort, lowering their symmetry to render these orbitals no longer degenerate. Distortion in octahedral complexes. There are mainly two reasons for distortions. 1. When the distortion is due to ligands known as ligando-generated distortion. 2. When the distortion is due to the metal atom known as metallo-generated distortion. This distortion generated by metal atoms are called as Jahn Teller distortion, where the distortion occurs even if same ligands are attached to the metal atom. Now let's conclude what is Jahn Teller theorem. If any non-linear molecule has electronic degeneracy present in the metal ions, then the metal ion in such complexes is in unstable state and it undergoes removal of electronic degeneracy to become stable, which results in distortions in the complex. Hope you found it helpful. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.